Hi all. Today I'm discuss topic about that how to get calls to your business with Google AdWords. That is called how we can generate in for Google Ads. So this is coming to the welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So what are the things we can learn by everything will be into Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss about that if you have any business, how to get business calls. That is called website calls. That is a customer calls. How to get to using for Google Ads. In this purpose, we have to use option name is called Smart Campaign. Go to sign in AdWords. This is a very important one. They will receive direct from the calls from your business by using Google AdWords ads. In this campaign name is called Smart Campaign. The Smart Campaign belongs to for with mapping, without mapping. Without mapping will be text ad. With map will be Smart Campaign. That will be here Smart Campaign. Here call to your business. They are showing for multiple option. Here, if you want to know about that, I'll show you one more option. Here, Google will be promoting for choose your goal, advertise your with Google Ads, get customer call, web service and store walkthrough here, Google Ads. Now we are discussing about the Google phone call. That mean by call to your business. Select it, click for continue. So these are the steps we can learn one by one into the campaign. The campaign name is called Smart Campaign. The campaign will be depend on the Google map. Here we will be selecting for the my map, Rakesh Tech Solutions. So my website, I'm selecting for Rakesh Tech Solution website. Suppose if you go for without map, that option name is called, they will showing for text ad in this. Selecting for particular radius, kilometer by 5 kilometer up to 65 and 35. Or else we can go to particular pin code wise. There's a city, country or state wise. Like in selecting Madhapur, like what are the places you're targeting? Hyderabad, India, US, Canada, any place you can target by in this particular map. But you target by our map nearby areas up to 30 kilometers. After that, you can click for next option. After that, you have to selecting your particular keywords, which keyword you're targeting. So digital marketing, services, I'm targeting here. So in this one, what are the here will be do for in this option, search engine optimization and social media marketing, and what are the things, PPC advertising. So in this, what are the doing for in this option? We can doing for particular things here in this. So here SEO. So what are the things will be here in your option will be in this. So I'm adding for total potential for the people customer per month 2,07,056 members in this. Now click for next. In this, finally you can design ad will be here. So how we can add will be show to customers. Here is a customer. Here is a Google map. Here is the Google partner site. This will be showing for Google search option, Google Maps and Google partner site. This will be showing for is a mobile, is a desktop. If you go in Google Map, they're showing for get direction in this option. Here will be showing for in this particular things. Any people will be searching for SEO services, they're showing our map will be here. So here we have to writing for in this option will be 30 characters, 30, 30, 90 and 90 characters. Now I'm writing for the particular characters. So here I'm creating content will be here. See this, I will be showing to the ads in this Google map and a Google partner site. Any ad will be showing to the some other website. It will show ad will be like this. So you can show here. Map ad will be different. The showing will be map ad, anything will be here. The showing along with the map also. So the here like this. Store info and direction is will be showing to the customers. So this ad will showing to where Google search results and it will be suitable by desktop and mobile, Google Maps and Google partner site. Now click for done. After finally, you have to generating for where website or map. Without websites, we can promoting using map. So I'm promoting which one? Website. Finally, click for next. It finally go to the your particular mobile number here. turn on your verification calls, click for next. The finally to go to for next, they will asking for your particular budget, 446 per daily budget. Enter your own budget. Minimum you have starting for 500 onwards. Don't go for less than 500. They're showing for tick mark. The minimum budget we can go for 4. We can go for here 425, 418 here. We can starting for 400 onwards. The better price will be per day. We can go for final also will be best price. 12,282 monthly maximum, and it will generating for impression will be 11,000 to 18,400 people will be get 420 to 720 ad calls per month. This is not per day. You receive the call by the 420 to 720 calls when you're spending for 12,280 rupees per monthly maximum budget. Is a budget will be given here 404 daily average, 12,282 monthly max. Reach will be 11,000 to 18,400 people will be get, and 420 to 720 calls will be received per month. Finally, click for next. We can check the complete overview. Impression and the clicks per month. Goals will be call your business. This is your ad. This is a call button, and target location of up to 30 kilometers. These are the daily budget and monthly budget. Suppose you have one doubt. Sir, I'm running for daily budget. 2 days is done. After can I pause the budget? Remaining budget left or it will be removed? No, the amount will be left on your account. How many days you're running the budget depend on budget you will be spending for Google ads. So you are give average 400 rupees you are spending for daily budget depend on the customer services, social media, search engine optimization, and PPC advertisement. The goal will be phone call. You receive the calls will be you spending on 12,000 per month. You receive calls will be 427 to 714 clicks per month. They will receive the calls on the particular clicks. So how many will be conversion depend on the clicks will be given to the Google ads. Now finally click for next. Most of the calls visible by the in your particular option will be here. Get clear picture your ad performance. Set conversion tracking will be here. Started the conversion tracking in the particular option. Number of page visited, visit your key pages, percent of the new visit of the from ad, time spent on your website, number of pages visit. You can start and you can link with the Google Analytics option. The conversion will be received by way in the Google Analytics particular thing. So all they will be linked. The goal will be set automatically. The showing for conversion target will be fixed through Google Analytics. So what are the things you have? Everything will be select here. See this, all will be goals will be here. So everything will be accept, accept, accept. If you want this also, all of this option will be there here. Now click for finish. This is the finally your ad will be here. So now is inactive mode. Why? My account will be is not active stage. So once this active, the campaign will be start on the particular option. So I have to active for particular things. Here, if you are pause any kind of campaign is asking for your particular feedback, that your interest, you can give the feedback or you can close it. So when your amount will be added, your ad will be started active stage. So what are the campaign you can add it here? The final report will be given by the particular option here. This all will be. This a particular campaign will be start. How to know that? This is a smart campaign. So what are the campaign you can start? Will be enable. Here will be showing for eligible, but the account will be inactive stage. The reason is called my account will be inactive stage due to the I'm not adding for amount. Add this policy, start your ads by using this option. So this is a method we have to generating calls on your business by using smart campaign. We can convert tracking by using Google Analytics option. So this is a way we have to promoting your business through calls by using Google Ads. Anytime you have to remove the ad by using this option, click for here and click for remove this ad. So this is finally we have to remove the ad if not activated. So this is a method we have to follow that on your particular Google AdWords ads to generate the business to calls generate on your particular website. If any doubts about this campaign, please ask me here. You can learn anything more information into my blog option. I'll write the blog. You can read here complete information. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe our channel and video.